Good morning, everybody. Nowadays, batua is in season. You get it only during winters. You use it with sarson ka saag, and it is found in sarson fields. It is very healthy, very nutritious, full of iron. So today I'm going to make batue ka paratha in breakfast series along with curds, pickle, and it's going to be very yummy, and white butter. This is how batua looks like. More like choli leaves, Choli ke patte hote hain na, it looks more like that. I've washed it thoroughly, put it in the cooker. I've drained out all the water, and I will give it 2 steams and then squeeze out the water because it creates acidity, So it is always safer, like mooli ke patte, to squeeze out all the water and then use the leaves, the remaining leaves in wheat flour and make atta out of it. I have drained out the water, washed it thoroughly, and now I'm going to give it 2 steams. Now to add to the batue ka paratha, I have chopped 1 onion, little bit of garlic, some ginger, and I'm going to add all this to the flour and then mix it up with batua and make atta. And the spices that I require are little bit of ajwain, salt, and red chili powder. See, this is how it has become after giving 3 to 4 steams. I had not added any water, it left its own water. Now make a ball and squeeze out all the water. Like you do for mooli ke patte, it's the same. Now I will roll this into atta. I have chopped some onions, garlic, ginger into very fine pieces. I'm going to add that also, and a few spices like salt, then ajwain and red chili powder. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, jeera, ajwain, little bit of haldi if you want, dhania powder and red chili powder. Now I'll take 1 katori of wheat flour and little bit I'll add 1 tablespoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of makki ka atta, and I will make dough out of it. A nice soft dough. First mix this up thoroughly. This is 1 cup wheat flour. Now to this I will add 1 tablespoon of makki ka atta and 1 tablespoon of besan. And then knead it with little water. And little bit of ghee I will add. I use cow's ghee for all my breakfast series. So I am adding little bit of ghee that softens the dough and it will make nice soft parathas. Now I will knead this with water. This is besan. I am going to add just 1 tablespoon. This is makki ka atta. I am going to add 1 tablespoon. It enhances the taste. That's why I'm adding, and nowadays it is easily available. Thank you so much. Now knead the dough properly so that it binds together nicely and you get nice soft lovely parathas. Now cover this with a damp cloth and keep it for 10 minutes. Make a roll. Add some ghee to it I'm going to shape squares today. So today we are making very tasty, very healthy batuwe ke parathe for breakfast. You will be so charged that you will start running. Full of iron, vitamin, delicious मक्की का आटा and बेसन and गेहूं का आटा. When one side is done, turn it. Now turn it back and apply ghee on one side all over nicely, especially the corners, and then turn it again. See, it is so khasta that it is breaking. Now on slow gas, let it get done nicely. This way keep on roasting it until both the sides are properly done. You can see it's getting done slowly. Press the edges because usually क्या होता है कि रोटी सेंटर में से पक जाती है, एजेस रह जाते हैं. तो make sure that the paratha is done nicely from all sides. This is a nice, crisp, tasty paratha, batuwe ka paratha. My delicious paratha is ready. Batuwe ka paratha. This is curds, this is gobi gajar ka achar, and this is white butter. Enjoy your breakfast and have a charged day. Good day to all of you. Have a happy charged day and be peaceful and enjoy yourself. Today is Friday, so it is a weekend. Go on a holiday but stay safe because COVID is still there. Thank you for watching my video. And do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please enjoy yourself, enjoy the paratha. Let me know how it is. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.